Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to build a KPI dashboard in Monday.com. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by navigating to your Monday.com workspace page. If you're not already there, open it and locate your KPI board. Once you've got the correct board in view, look to the left side of your screen for a blue plus sign button. This is your gateway to adding new elements within Monday.com. Click it to open a menu, then search for Dashboard. Once found, click on it to proceed. Next, it's time to personalize your new dashboard. Rename it to something meaningful, such as KPI Dashboard. After renaming, click Create Dashboard. This action will set up the framework for your new dashboard. Now, every dashboard needs data to function effectively, so your next step is to connect it to a board. Choose the board that holds your KPI data to allow your metrics to flow seamlessly into the dashboard. Once you've made your selection, click Done to complete the integration. After a brief moment, the dashboard will load, showing a basic structure ready for customization. Here's where the creative part begins. Adding widgets. Look for the Add Widget button, which lets you insert visual elements like charts, graphs, and other tools to display your metrics. For instance, to make your dashboard visually appealing, start by adding a chart widget. Click on Chart, and once it's added, locate the three-dot icon on the upper right corner of the widget and click it to open the settings. Inside the settings, choose your preferred chart type, bar graph, line chart, or pie chart, whichever best represents your data. Next, click on Values to specify the data you want to visualize. And that's it. So that is how you can build a KPI dashboard in Monday.com. So that's all for this video. Thanks.